Now let's solve FizzBuzz problem. Now we need to take an empty list. V equals to empty list. Now we need to take for loop for I in range 1 comma n plus 1. Because starting index starts with 1 and ending index ends with n. Because the base condition is already mentioned in the cases if I percentile 3 equals to 0 and I percentile 5 equal to 0, then we need to append v dot append FizzBuzz, and the condition if I percentile 3 equal to 0, then v dot append fizz, and the condition if I percentile 5 equal to 0, then v dot append bus, else k equals to str of I, which converts integer into string. Now return hold the list. Now let's run. As you can see, it passed all test cases. I'm going to submit. Yeah, it is working. Yeah, thank you.